going on, guys? My name's Aviation Aiden, and today I'm going to be doing a model review of the Herpa 1-500 Airbus A319 American Airlines. Registration is November 8001 November. This is a new model that I got. This is my second Airbus A319 and my third Airbus. This is my 10th model to my collection. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the review. First, we'll go ahead and start with the engines. The engines are CFM 56-5Bs. They are the engines that power all of the American A319s. So it's right here. Got the door here. Emergency exit. And again, the red arrows on the wing. Then the catering or emergency exit. Registration right there. Winglet, navigation light, of course. Go ahead and go to the front. Unlike the Air Canada, this mold, it looks to be correct. Let me zoom in here. It's a little bit more of a correct mold. Wheels don't spin, that's the older models, the sharklets here. Let's go to the other side. Same stuff that's happening. Emergency exits, catering, whatever. APU. Back here. Navigation light. Registration. I really like the tail on this one. And the APU. Yeah, the tail I really like. I think it looks really nice. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little model review. There's nothing much to this model. Just your generic A319. Just one thing I want to point out here, the picture on the box is not the same model. As you can see, this one has got the normal wingtips for the Airbus wingtips, and the registration, it looks like it's November 7250W or whiskey maybe. I can't really tell, it's a little blurry. Probably the same on the top of the box and on the bottom of the box. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little model review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.